The first color I'm using is Stay Golden, and I'm going to be taking the Eyeshadow Everything brush in the fluffy side. It is so pretty. This is like a gorgeous mustardy color, so of course I had to use it for my fall look. And it totally reminds me of the cute kimono that I have on that I found at TJ Maxx. I love an awesome deal. So anyway, I'm applying that in my outer corner and then into my crease and my upper crease as well. The next color I'm grabbing is Coco. This is one of my all-time favorite browns. I am going to apply this right into that outer corner, a little less than halfway onto the lid, and then right up into that crease, and a little bit above the crease as well. I want this to be pretty dramatic, so I will go in with a couple of layers of this color, which is something I love about it, is you can really build it up and make it nice and dramatic if you want to. So just build that up in your outer corner. The next color I'm grabbing is Cupcake, and how pretty is this? Just a matte, creamy color. So I'm using the flat side of the multitasker brush and packing it onto the lid. You do want to make sure to tap off the brush first, otherwise it gets a little bit on the chalky side. So just kind of layer it up into that area that we left blank. And then I just like to use a clean blending brush to blend out any edges and make sure it blends really well. Going back in with Coco and the pencil side of the brush, I'm going to bring this pretty much to the same area on the lower lash line as, meeting it up to where we did the smokiness in the outer corner up top. And this just is going to help to make our eyes look nice and big and open. Now I'm grabbing my NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner, and this is waterproof. It's amazing. You guys know this already though because I use it in all of my videos. So I am going to just line my eyes. I'm doing it a little bit on the thicker side because I don't know, I've been liking that lately. So I'm just doing it all the way from the inner to outer corner. And it does not have to be perfect because you know how much I love to smoke out my liner with some eyeshadow. So to smoke out the liner, I am using Salem, which is just a gorgeous matte black eyeshadow. Using that pencil side of the brush, I am just going to go over the liner and just really blend it out. And I just love this effect, especially for a smoky eye. It's so flattering, makes your eyes appear larger. I'm using my favorite Kiss lashes in the style Gala. These are so dramatic but super easy to apply. They are gorgeous and wispy. Oh my gosh, I just love them. So I'm just setting them right onto the center of the eye like always, and then just kind of holding that inner and outer corner to make sure that they're on there really well. And you can see these are stunning lashes and super affordable. Now I'm taking Sabrina, and I'm going to use this just to finish off the eyes. I like to use the fluffy side of the brush and just kind of dust that in my inner corner, make my eyes pop a little bit more. And then I'm also taking it right on that brow bone as well for just a little bit of shimmer. And the lip color is actually the one next to it, which is Black Cherry, not the one I'm pointing to. Oh, I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway, I'm wearing Black Cherry. I love it for fall. It's glossy, but like a deep purple. So pretty. And then here you have the finished look. It is super duper pretty, nice and smoky for fall. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye!